The Swedish band ABBA may have made the expression popular around the world, but Italians have been using
Mamma mia!
as a mild expression of surprise, joy, annoyance, disappointment, anger, and fear for years.
Mamma mia!
It can translate in numerous ways in English, including oh my goodness, wow, and oh man, to name a few.
Mamma mia, che bello!
Oh my goodness, how nice.
Mamma mia, che delusione!
Oh my goodness, what a disappointment. Also written as one word, it's the combination of the words mamma, meaning mother or mom, and mia, the feminine possessive adjective my, so it literally means my mother. Be careful though, because if you actually want to say my mom in Italian, you need to switch the word order around.
Mia mamma. Mamma mia mamma è tornata a casa davvero tardi.
My goodness, my mom got home really late. In certain cases, mamma mia can be an intensifier used in order to agree with or stress something. For example,
Guarda che bello che è quel palazzo. Mamma mia!
look how beautiful that palace is. Tell me about it. Note that sometimes mamma mia is shortened to
Mamma!
or
Oh mamma! Grazie per averci seguito.
thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.